nice head down, nice long rein. Just relaxing. We're going to have another canter shortly, but just relaxing in between times. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, good boy. So, time now. Once I get to my watch with all the layers on. Right, so 25 to 11. Probably been out about 50 minutes by the time we get home, which is just right, because we've had a lot of fast work, which he needed. And so far I've managed to stay on, even though he's had quite a few shies at things. Yes, just looking at all these puddles, aren't you? Because they're not normally there, are they, these puddles? I think it's important to let them have a little sniff and an investigate of things when you can. You can't always do it, of course, when you're out, but I think when you can it's important, as long as they don't make a meal of it. You don't want them to be stopping at every leaf and twig they pass. Right, we'll have another little canter up here then. Steady. Just decided to have a little gallop there, which is alright, it's uphill, so it's tiring for him. Good boy. Come on, down you go. Yep, it's funny how he doesn't like changing surfaces or colours. It's a bit of a different colour. Black tarmac and even blacker tarmac. He has to look at the blacker tarmac. It's really weird. Of course, this is my first Arab, so I don't know if that's normal or not, really. I suspect it is from what people have said. Go on then, have a little trot. Okay, a little canter then, that's fine with me. Oh, see, didn't like that change of colour in the grass. Steady. Good boy. And gallop. Really good exercise for him because it's uphill, quite a steep uphill too, so quite tiring. And trot. Good boy. Yes, good boy. And just relax now. We've done it. Good boy. Good boy. Now we'll just walk now. Now, steady. Steady, we don't want this holly prickling us, do we? Good boy. No, now you're jogging. We don't do jogging, do we? No, good boy. No, walk. Good boy. No. Walk. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, that's it. Good boy. Nice and relaxed. Well, perhaps nice and relaxed, but more relaxed. Yes, good boy. Got this little bit of water in front of the gate, which I'm quite sure he won't like. No, we don't need pouring. I'm quite sure he's going to roll when he does that. Come on. I don't want to spoil your fun, but I don't really want you to roll. Yes. Off you go now. Okay, you can have a little pot, but you have to go through. That's a good boy. And just straighten up. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, no, come on. Good boy. Stand. Stand. And back. And back. Wait, 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 wait. No, let's not be rushing. Just let's have a little stand and wait. That's it. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, that's good. Okay, back. No, that's forward. Back. Back. That's it. And round you go. No, walk. I mean, I'd love to have a gallop along here, but I don't want him to get into the habit of every time we come along here that he knows he's going to go flat out. So we're just going to walk now. Good boy. Just because we're walking doesn't mean you can't be doing something. So what I'm asking him to do is to round at the pole, just drop his nose down. Also asking for a little stelling. Don't think you can see it on the camera, but just one side up, like that, little stelling, and then at the other side, little stelling, just so that it's relaxing the pole. So you can do that even though you're just walking along and you're hacking out. Just little things you can do. Help them along with their schooling, dressage, whichever you like to call it. You can't expect a young horse like him to be constantly on the bit. So you ask and then he does it and then he lets go and you ask again and he does it again, and it's just it's just a constant thing, and eventually, over the years, he'll get pretty good. Yes, that's a tree. It's probably been there for a long time, but he's never seen it before because of all the leaves all around it. So I just have to have a little look at that. Of course he's an Arab. Right, so we're going to have a little canter now on this last little bit. And... no. Rot. Good boy. And walk. See if we can do any better at this gate this time. Yep, over you go a little bit. Over. Over. Yes, he's forgotten the leg aids, haven't you? Because you haven't done it for a little bit. Yes. Stand. Good boy. Stand. Wait. Wait. Mind my leg. Good boy. Now steady down here. Steady. Steady. Bit slippy. Oop, and he has to go through the mud. Well done. Oh, there's something coming. Oh, he probably doesn't want to go through that ford. He could go through the ford with that vehicle, but anyway, he obviously has decided it's too deep for him. Curious about this water running down this road. Yes, you can have a look. It's not normally there, is it, this little stream? No. I'm not expecting him to make as much fuss going this way because it's going home. Yes, somebody's left a load of rubbish there. Right. Take a little bit of a shorter rein now, because we don't want him to whiz round and do something silly like fall over the edge. Come along. Yes, that's funny, isn't it? No, just take a moment. It's no rush. No rush. Do you want a little drink? No? Okay. Okay, you can have a drink then, but don't roll. Wait, now I'll just gather my reins up. Yes, good lad. Yeah, you're alright, aren't you? I think it's important just let them have a little look. Because even here it could be a bit scary, seeing that water running along like that. No, I don't need to go back though. I don't mind you looking. That was a bit of a jump there, wasn't it? No, not too near that edge. No, very conscious of that edge there. I'm not asking him to go on, I'm just letting him just stand. Okay, you ready? You ready then? Walk on then. Good boy. Walk on then. No leg, he's just going on his own. I don't want him to go that way though. Good boy. So I'll put a little bit of leg on now because he's heading towards that. There. Didn't want him to head that little waterfall thing, whatever it would be called. Yeah, there you go. Clever boy, aren't you? You can just walk now. Loose rein. Yep, go on. Yep, there you go. Good boy. This is a clever boy, isn't he? Going through there again. Clever boy. Good boy. Right, good boy. What are you looking at? Looking at those people in there, eh? It's very curious, aren't you, as to what they're doing? No, dear. Oh, yes, there's these scary vans, aren't there? You've been past scary vans before now, haven't you? Just got my right leg on just to stop his quarters swinging right out, because he knows now that those aren't that scary, so we can just help him along. Good boy.
I hope you'll join us in part 4. TTFN.